Hello everyone. So next we are going to see the square wave form generation. So here in this case, as you can see within the program org00h, so move p1 comma 0h, then a call delay. So here in this case what we are doing is we are just sending 00 and ffh, that is high and low values for the certain duration. That duration will be generated through this delay program. So a call delay, in the sense here we are generating the delay using the timer. So here in this case timer mode 0 will be used. That's what we have seen in the theory. Move t mode comma 01h, in the sense it is going to select the mode 0. In case of your 16-bit mode, that is mode 1, it is going to select. Then th0 and tl0 is loaded with certain values, and they are going to count up to ffh maximum. So once you set tr0, so tr0 is going to make your delay your counter on, that is counter 0 is going to be on, and it is going to be observed from your tf0. So tf0 will be continuous in the loop, so until and unless it will become high. So once it is become high, then we are going to clear this tr0. So starting the delay is using the tr0 setting by setting tr0, stopping the delay by using clearing the tr0, and clearing tf0 will make you to access the further you can say the bits and further delays. So this is how the delay program is going to work, and in turn we are going to generate the square wave form using just by sending 00 and hs. So we are going to see how actually it has to be done. So we need to go for the this flash, then configure flash tools. Here we need to go for the output, and here you need to click on this create hex file, and you will need to click on this OK. So once it is been done, so you are going to generate with the hex file. So for we need to go for FlashMagick software. So within the FlashMagick software we are going to select that hex file generated. So these are the options we are going to remain same. So we are going to go for the hex file generated, since we are using the square wave. So we have selected the square.hex. Then we need to start we need to take to the program mode and click on the reset button. So once it has been clicked, then we need to click on the start. So it is going to take make you the erasing of the program. Once the program is erased, so you can get the information here. So you can see here it is processing programming, and then it is finished. Once it has been finished, we need to come again here, and you need to click on run mode. I have taken into run mode, and again you need to click on the reset button. So once it has been clicked on the reset button, you can see the waveforms coming on the oscilloscope. So this is how we are going to generate the square waveform. Thank you.